love this fill, and I just came up with it. It came out of nowhere. They're the best kind of fills. There's a number of ways you could break down the sticking, but here's how I'm going to do it. First beat is right, left kick. Second beat is just right, left. Beat 3 is another right, left kick. And then at the end, beat 4, for 4E, you've got right, left. Stick it together. 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E and Another way you could approach this is if you accent all the right hands, you'll come up with like a rhythm pattern that you can recognise when you play it at speed, which makes it a lot easier to just play around the kit. Now placement around the kit is pretty simple, simply because the only thing that's moving is the right hand. So the first beat, the first right, is on the snare drum, right, left kick. Second beat, you're going high, snare, low, snare. 1 E and 2 E and Stay on the 4 tom for beat 3, 3 E and and then again for beat 4, 4 E, 1 E and 2 E and 3 E and 4 E. Again, remember to do a really nice loud rim shot on that last left because it just sounds good. If you don't know what a rim shot is, check out the video I've just done on that. It should either be in the New Drummers Toolkit or in the Bite Size Lessons playlist. It's going to be in one of those. I have done so many videos on chops like this at this point, so if you enjoy this kind of video, then go and check those out as well. Other than that, I hope you have a great day and happy playing!